In today's video, we have compiled 25 profitable cleaning business ideas that anyone can start. From modern tech-driven services like laser cleaning and ultrasonic washing to timeless niches like house, carpet, and car cleaning, these ideas prove that cleanliness isn't just next to godliness, it's also next to profitability. Let's explore how you can turn cleaning into a thriving business. 1. Car washing business. A car wash business never runs out of demand because vehicles always need to look spotless. From hand washes to automatic drive-through systems, the opportunities are vast. A touchless automatic car wash machine can clean vehicles in under 5 minutes using high-pressure jets and foam sprayers. Portable mobile car wash kits are also available for doorstep service. Combining eco-friendly water recycling machines makes this business modern, sustainable, and more profitable. 2. Airbnb Cleaning. The rise of short-term rentals has created a goldmine for specialized Airbnb cleaning. Hosts need quick, reliable, and hotel-like cleanliness to impress guests and secure 5-star reviews. Machines like steam cleaners sanitize bathrooms and kitchens without chemicals, while HEPA vacuum cleaners capture dust and allergens. Professional laundry machines are essential for fast linen turnover. This niche goes beyond dusting. It's about creating a welcoming experience with spotless linens, staged rooms, and attention to detail. 3. Carpet cleaning. Carpets trap dirt, dust, and allergens, making professional carpet cleaning a recurring need in homes and offices. Carpet cleaning requires specialized equipment to remove deep dirt and allergens. Machines like hot water extraction carpet cleaners and rotary carpet scrubbers deliver professional results. Portable spot cleaners are also handy for smaller jobs. These machines use suction and heated water to extract dirt, extending carpet life and improving indoor air quality. By offering deodorizing and stain treatments, this service attracts both residential and corporate clients, ensuring steady profits from repeat cleaning contracts. 4. Window cleaning. Clean, streak-free windows are essential for both homes and businesses, but many people avoid the task due to height, safety, and effort. That's where a professional window cleaning service shines. Using water-fed poles, eco-safe cleaners, and even drone-assisted tech for tall buildings, you can deliver sparkling results that improve curb appeal while ensuring customer safety and satisfaction. Water-fed pole systems allow workers to clean glass up to 60 feet high using purified water, leaving streak-free results. For skyscrapers, drone window cleaning systems are emerging, making the job safer and faster. 5. Commercial floor cleaning. Businesses with heavy foot traffic, from malls to offices, need spotless, well-maintained floors. Commercial floor cleaning goes beyond mopping. It includes polishing, waxing, and even industrial scrubbing. Investing in auto scrubber machines can clean, scrub, and dry large areas in one pass. Floor burnishers restore shine to dull surfaces, while industrial vacuum cleaners handle debris. These machines save time and labor while ensuring spotless results for malls, hospitals, and offices. 6. Street cleaning service. Start a business that keeps entire neighborhoods spotless with a ride-on automatic sweeper machine. These modern sweepers make cleaning streets, roads, and even lawns fast and effortless by collecting leaves, gravel, dust, and cans in a single pass. With an automated dust bin system, waste is stored neatly and disposed of easily, saving hours of manual work. Cities, housing societies, and commercial parks are always looking for efficient cleaning solutions, making this business both impactful and profitable. 7. Laser cleaning business. Laser cleaning is a futuristic service that's transforming industries. Using high-powered lasers, this method removes rust, paint, grease, and contaminants from metal surfaces without chemicals or abrasives. It's eco-friendly, precise, and gaining traction in automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing sectors. While startup costs are higher, the technology positions you as a leader in an emerging, high-paying industrial cleaning niche. 8. Laundry service. Laundry is one of those endless chores people love to outsource. A laundry business can start small with pickup and delivery services and grow into a full-scale laundromat. Offering same-day wash and fold, dry cleaning partnerships, and subscription models makes it even more appealing. You can use commercial washers and industrial dryers to handle large loads efficiently. You can also add steam irons and folding machines for faster service, and even automated conveyor systems to simplify sorting. 9. Upholstery Cleaning. Furniture like sofas, chairs, and mattresses collects dust, stains, and allergens over time. Upholstery Cleaning provides a professional solution using steam, fabric-safe detergents, and deep extraction. This service is popular with families, hotels, and offices wanting fresh, sanitized furniture. It's also highly profitable since customers are willing to pay for comfort and hygiene without replacing expensive furniture. 10. House cleaning. House cleaning services are always in demand, especially among busy families, working professionals, and elderly homeowners. From dusting and mopping to kitchen deep cleans and bathroom scrubbing, the possibilities are endless. Offering customizable packages, eco-friendly products, or recurring weekly plans helps build loyal clients. With reliability and attention to detail, a house cleaning business quickly becomes a household essential. 11. Garbage truck service. Running a garbage truck service is a reliable way to enter the cleaning and waste management industry. These trucks are equipped with hydraulic compactors and automated lifters that can handle everything from household waste bins to commercial garbage. Whether serving residential neighborhoods, business complexes, or municipalities, a garbage truck service ensures steady contracts and long-term demand since waste disposal is a daily necessity. 12. Pressure washing. Pressure washing is one of the most satisfying cleaning services out there. From driveways and sidewalks to building exteriors, it removes grime, mold, and stains in minutes. Homeowners, businesses, and property managers love the instant transformation. With portable machines and eco-friendly detergents, you can offer both residential and commercial services, making this business highly versatile and profitable. 13. Solar panel cleaning. As more homes and businesses switch to solar energy, the demand for solar panel cleaning keeps rising. Dust, pollen, and debris reduce efficiency by up to 30%, so regular cleaning is essential. Using purified water and non-abrasive tools, you can restore panels to peak performance. With renewable energy booming, this eco-friendly niche has strong growth potential. 14. Gutter cleaning. Clogged gutters lead to water damage, leaks, and pest infestations. That's why gutter cleaning remains a steady business opportunity. It involves removing debris, flushing out blockages, and installing guards for prevention. While often overlooked, homeowners and businesses need this service regularly, especially during rainy seasons. With the right equipment, you can provide fast, safe, and repeatable gutter care. 15. Ultrasonic cleaning business. Ultrasonic cleaning is a high-tech service that uses ultrasonic waves and special cleaning solutions to remove dirt, grease, and contaminants from delicate items. Jewelry, medical instruments, car parts, electronics, and even industrial tools can be restored to like new condition without harsh scrubbing. The machines work by creating microscopic bubbles that clean even the tiniest crevices invisible to the eye. This business is gaining popularity because it's fast, eco-friendly, and highly precise, making it perfect for clients who need thorough, safe cleaning. 16. Mold remediation services. Mold isn't just unsightly, it's a serious health hazard. Mold remediation businesses specialize in identifying, removing, and preventing mold growth in homes and commercial spaces. Using HEPA vacuums, air scrubbers, and antifungal treatments, you help clients maintain a safe environment. Since homeowners can't tackle severe mold problems themselves, this service commands premium pricing and offers year-round demand. 17. Hood cleaning business. Restaurant kitchens rely on clean hoods to prevent grease buildup and fire hazards. Hood cleaning services use high-pressure equipment, degreasers, and certification standards to keep kitchens safe and compliant. Since restaurants are inspected regularly, they must hire professionals, making this a recurring, highly profitable niche. Building strong ties with local eateries ensures steady contracts and long-term clients. 18. Pool cleaning. Pool owners want sparkling blue water, but often dread the upkeep. Pool cleaning businesses handle everything from skimming and vacuuming to balancing chemicals and maintaining pumps. Customers, both residential and hotels, value consistency, making this a repeat business model. Offering maintenance contracts ensures recurring revenue, while adding repair or seasonal services makes this niche even more profitable. 19. Post-construction cleaning. Construction projects always leave behind dust, debris, and waste. Pre- and post-construction cleaning businesses step in to prepare sites for move-in or handover. Services include debris removal, surface polishing, and sanitization. With real estate developers, contractors, and homeowners as clients, this niche guarantees large-scale projects and steady work, especially in growing urban areas where construction never stops. 20. Bathroom cleaning services. Bathrooms require more than a quick wipe down. They need deep sanitization to keep them safe and fresh. A bathroom cleaning business tackles tough grime, lime scale, mold, and odors. Offering hotel-like standards for homes, offices, and commercial properties, this niche ensures repeat bookings. Clients appreciate the health benefits of germ-free bathrooms, making it a reliable and rewarding service. 21. Boat cleaning. Boats face tough cleaning challenges due to salt water, algae, and barnacle buildup. A boat cleaning business specializes in hull scrubbing, polishing, and detailing, keeping vessels seaworthy and looking brand new. Serving marinas, yacht clubs, and private owners, this niche thrives in coastal regions. With proper equipment and eco-friendly cleaning agents, boat cleaning becomes a profitable seasonal service. 22. Shoe cleaning vending. Shoe cleaning vending machines are a modern, convenient twist on traditional shoe polishing. They can be placed in malls, airports, and office complexes. As a business, you can own and manage multiple units, offering automated shoe cleaning services for busy professionals. With minimal labor and steady foot traffic, this idea provides a low-maintenance yet profitable cleaning venture. 23. Drain cleaning business. Clogged drains are one of the most common household headaches, making drain cleaning a high-demand service. Using augers, hydrojetting machines, and inspection cameras, you can solve blockages quickly and efficiently. This business serves homes, restaurants, and commercial properties, ensuring consistent work. Since emergency calls are common, you can charge premium rates, making drain cleaning a lucrative opportunity. 24. Maid Service. Maid services today are far more than just traditional house cleaning. These companies focus on building trust and routine by serving the same households on a regular basis. Instead of offering a one-time clean, they provide ongoing care that keeps a home comfortable and organized. Along with sweeping and dusting, many maid services handle laundry, bed making, and pet cleanup, turning everyday chores into professional, stress-free solutions for busy families. 25. Eco-friendly green cleaning. Eco-friendly cleaning is one of the fastest-growing niches, driven by customers who care about sustainability. By using plant-based products, reusable supplies, and water-saving methods, you reduce environmental impact while providing top-quality service. This niche attracts health-conscious families, schools, and offices. Marketing your business as green sets you apart and allows you to charge premium rates for responsible cleaning. So, which cleaning business idea inspired you the most? Whether it's eco-friendly cleaning, high-tech solutions, or good old-fashioned scrubbing, the opportunities are endless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful business ideas. And drop a comment below. We'd love to know which cleaning niche you'd start today.